Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna wash my braids. It's been about 2 months since I washed my hair, and it's about time that it gets done. Here's a look at my hair and scalp. As you can see, I've got a lot of little bulbs, which means my hair was pulled or shed from my scalp. So obviously when I take it out, I anticipate quite a bit of hair when I remove it. But for me, this is normal. Whether the braids are big, small, this always happens to me. Moving on to our first step, shampooing. Today I'm going to use 2 shampoos because my hair needs it. I'm going to start with Shea Moisture's Strengthen and Restore Shampoo from the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. You've seen me use this before, it's one of my favorites. And I chose this one because it's a great clarifying shampoo, and it's exactly what my hair needs right now. I apply a good amount of shampoo to my scalp and gently massaging it in. I don't worry too much about shampooing my ends because, as the water runs down after I'm rinsing, the shampoo will go down, and plus I don't want to cause any unnecessary frizz, pulling, damage to my hair. Moving on to my shampoo, it's from Giovanni. It's their Tea Tree Triple Treat Invigorating Shampoo. I'm using this shampoo to give my scalp some love because after 2 months of not washing it, it definitely needs it. So after giving myself a good massage, I leave it in for a couple of minutes, allowing the tea tree to work its magic on my scalp, and then I rinse. Next, I'm moving on to deep conditioning. Today I'm using Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask from Maui Moisture. I apply a good amount to my hair only, not my scalp, leave it in for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse. Once all my deep conditioner is rinsed out, before moving on to my moisture routine, I apply my fenugreek spray to my scalp and my hair. Now that I've finished with the fenugreek spray, I'm going to follow up with my leave-in. So again, it's going to go just on my ends. I don't want to put too much on, just especially some more on the top bits here. Because normally I wouldn't use that much on my hair if I didn't have the braids, so it's just hard sometimes to distribute it. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with my fenugreek oil. All this is about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and some castor oil. So once I'm done applying all the oil, I'm going to apply my satin scarf. My hair is dripping wet, by the way. So just gonna do this, and then I take a ginormous towel and then I just wrap it around the braids. So before I apply the towel, I want to give my hair a good squeeze just to get a lot of the water out. But you know this, for those of you that have had braids in before, you know this is gonna take 3 to 5 business days to dry. So it's hot here in Toronto, so I'm going to sit outside. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.